Hello, hello. Good evening. Sue here, popping in to just talk about keeping your feet soft and happy come summer. A lot of us love to run around barefoot. Pretty soon the heels are all cracked, chopped up. Are you one of those, like me, who likes to run around barefoot and pretty soon you're looking at your feet and you're going, oh, that one's hurting? Well, the last couple of days I've been running around without my shoes on and I noticed my feet are already hurting. Isn't that crazy how it goes? So I thought I'll just pop on and show you guys what I love to do come summer and also actually year round. One of my favorite things to do. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see this. Hey, Denise, how are you? I'll see if I can flip it. Here we go. So what I do is I take a big jar like this with the lid and I add in 7 cups of plain Epsom salt, 7 cups of baking soda, and then that over here is typically full of sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, and I love to have the food grade. Make sure it's food grade, otherwise you get all kinds of sand particles, and the sand particles get left in your foot soak or in your tub. But here is the fun part, is make sure you get dry goat's milk. So into this container, I have 7 cups of baking soda, 7 cups of Epsom salt, 7 cups of pink Himalayan sea salt, and 1 cup of dry goat's milk. And then I just basically take, for the foot soak, 1 scoop like this. This is a 1/4 cup. Doing this one-handed, you guys. And then I take whatever oils I like this one is Peace and Calming. So typically, I'm not showing people what I'm doing when I do it, so I'll take it and I'm just going to drop a few right into the cup. Whoops, missed. Woo, my bad aim. There we go. And then, so I get about 3 or 4 drops of Peace and Calming because my feet have been kind of a little bit sore lately. So I put 3 or 4 drops, missed it of course, as you can see. But I just take it and I dump it in here like this. And the dry goat's milk, okay, I'm going to scoop up this extra. It doesn't matter if you use it again. 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup in your foot soak. And then if you do it in a bath, you can do 1 cup. So like 4 of the 1/4 cup scoops to 2 cups to soften your feet, soften your skin come summer because we get so dried out. So you just pop your feet in like this and you put it going. So I'm going to put the heat one going and the bubbler going. Whoops, that one's noisy. There we go. But anyway, so it starts bubbling and then that just moves all that salt and the oils around and softens your feet up. And Epsom salt is really good for putting minerals back into your body through your feet. The baking soda is helping raise your body's pH. The salt is good for minerals. And again, the goat's milk is really good at softening your feet. Hey, Yvonne, you made it on. Cool. It's been a while. Hey, Antonia. I'm not even looking at names here. I'm terrible. But I thought I would just share this with you guys. I've been out and about running around like normal, doing things. And then, of course, went and got some flowers, as you can see in my table. I'm not sure if I can zoom in. Out there is full of flowers to plant. So I thought I would just take a foot soak and calm down, get my feet soft, especially those ankles. Those like to, bottom of the feet and the ankle area like to get chopped up from sandals, don't they? So let's flip this back around. Here we go. So how have you guys enjoyed the lovely weather wherever you're at? Like here it was beautiful, sunny, but also windy. As you can tell, my bun is blowing up all over the place with all the running. But I was so pumped to go get some flowers to plant for the weekend. Yeah, well, I don't know if it'll help your heels. Oh, Heels, are you funny or what, Denise? But it'll help those heels if they're cracked up a bit. Really good for that. You can also, oh gosh, I can't flip it again. But anyway, if you have one of these kind of things, you can rub the backs of your heels on that to help get the junk off them. That helps a lot. But You know, I'm knock on wood, but I have had pretty soft heels doing this for the last 10 years, you guys. I love doing foot soaks because it's very calming. You know how you feel it grounds you when you walk across fresh cut grass or whatever? It's just the energy of the earth, and it just helps relax you, ground you. Well, baking soda, Epsom salt, sea salt, that mix too does the same thing. So, yes. Hey, Luann, how are you? Yeah, I agree, Denise. Those smartphones are just too smart sometimes. They do the same thing to me. They type a little different word in there sometimes, or different spelling, whatever, right? But yeah, it's been fun. And then especially come summer, make sure you guys are drinking plenty of water. I'll share what I have in to top it off. I added a little bit of my Sleek. I love this stuff, you guys. This just curbs your appetite a little bit. So especially when you're out and about, right? You get hungry, and then a little bit of the electrolytes. These are really good. They're this one is lavender lemonade. Sorry, trying to hold this and talk at the same. Hold my phone and hold these and talk. Kind of a little bit hard, but these, I love them. You just do a little tiny squirt, and great for electrolytes, especially when you're running around come summer and it's getting hot. And this one is grapefruit bergamot. My favorite way is to take actually a little squirt of each of these and put it in my water, and then slurp it down. So yeah, how cool is that? Sorry, it's a little bit wiggly when I'm not having it in my phone stand, because I'm holding it this time to share what I do. So for the few of you that came in at the end, I'll kind of flip it around and show you a little teaser of what I'm doing right now. This is kind of what I'm doing. My big mix, extra water if your water cools down. So, oh, I forgot to turn the heat one on. See, this one has a heating device. Not very many of them have that anymore, but it keeps your water warmer. And there is my lovely mix. So, yeah, you guys, if you want the recipe, I'll just type it above. And the oils, oh, I forgot to tell you, so I put Peace and Calming in my oils for tonight to help with the feet. So, and calm them down. So anyway, any questions? I just thought I'd pop on and talk about those lovely foot soaks that are fun to do and get the feet soft, calming, all kinds of things. So any questions? If not, I'll let you guys go. Okay, yep, I'll put the recipe right above this video, and then you can put any essential oils, whichever ones you like, whichever your favorites are. Sometimes I'll do different ones. I just tonight wanted to just do Peace and Calming. So I'll let you guys go. Have a good night. I'm going to do the Minnesota goodbye. Right? Over and over again. So chat later. Have a good night, guys.